Hello 4-H leaders. This tutorial is about the chat features for Zoom. Go to zoom.us, click on your account in the top right corner. Then on the left-hand side, click on Settings. For your meetings, you will have a huge number of different options that you can fix under the settings, but we're going to only focus on the chat settings for today. So here under chat, these toggles will turn things on, which is blue, or off, which is a gray color. You can allow your participants to send a message visible to all, recommend that you turn off the private chatting, and you can save all of the chats from that time so that you can have them for later. Additionally, you could, in your Zoom meeting, come down to this bottom bar where it says chat, and you'll have these features as a host, and you'll come up to this, and you can determine which each individual participant can chat with.